Alam mo ba na sa halagang 6,000 pesos, magkakaroon ka ng maraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging IMG member? Hindi lang ito simpleng membership. It's a complete package. Financial education, protection, healthcare, investment access, savings, discounts, rewards, and opportunity. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jaime Lorenzo, your money doctor, and a member of IMG or International Marketing Group since 2005. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga advantages ng pagiging IMG member? Una, magiging saver and investor ka agad. May instant 1,000 pesos premium deposit fund savings ka na maaari mong pambili ng Soldivo Mutual Fund shares through Ranver Financials. Matututo ka din sa ating free financial workshops kung paano mag-ipon, mag-budget at mag-invest ng tama. Kahit pa 20-20 or 100 pesos lang ang itinatabi mo, pero gagawin mo ito tuloy-tuloy for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, magkakaroon ka ng malaking ipon at passive income na iyong aasahan sa iyong retirement years. May libre ka ding personal accident insurance na may coverage mula 100,000 up to 300,000 in case of accidental death or dismemberment. Magkakaroon ka din ng 50,000 life insurance coverage from Fidelity Life na may kasama ng 24/7 Memorial Concierge Service from Everest. Para kang may automatic 50,000 memorial plan pag join mo ng IMG. Sa healthcare naman, may free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Center branches kasama ang discounted laboratory and medical services. At hindi lang ikaw makikinabang, kasama din ang iyong immediate family members. May vision care benefit din kung saan maaari kang makakuha ng hanggang 2 iframes bawat taon. Kung kailangan mo ng legal advice, may free legal consultation ka rin, 45 minutes bawat session, 2 beses kada taon. Makakatipid ka din sa travel insurance, car insurance, fire insurance taon-taon dahil meron tayong exclusive discounts. Kung balak mo bumili ng property sa SMDC, Ayala Land, DMCI, and other developers, may additional member savings ka din. At kung bibili ka ng brand new car, may exclusive discounts ka din bilang member sa ating IMG Auto Program. Do you want to earn and have a business in the financial industry? Pwede ka din kumita ng additional income sa IMG Business bilang financial educator. You can also travel the world. Dahil sa IMG, we were able to see the US, Europe, and many countries in Asia several times. Madami din tayong world-class recognition sa IMG like promotion pins, free watch, free healthcare para sa mga marketing directors and up. Finally, kung ikaw ay isang OFW, may exclusive additional benefits para lamang sa'yo. 500,000 accidental death benefit, 100,000 burial benefit, 100,000 medical reimbursement, 600,000 acts of terrorism coverage, 600,000 unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement benefit, and repatriation services. Bibigyan din kita nitong powerful IMG book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So imagine, 6,000 pesos lang, pero ang kapalit, maraming benefits and opportunity. Sulit ba? 21 years na akong member ng IMG community at masasabi kong sulit na sulit talaga dahil it's a complete package. May financial education, healthcare, protection, savings, investment, discounts, rewards, at community na kasama sa isang misyon upang mabot ang 30 million financially educated families by year 2030. Kung gusto mong malaman paano maging IMG member, nasa Pilipinas ka man or nasa ibang bansa, message me para matulungan kitang magsimula.